Bam! Too late, adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. Tron, we gotta talk about Tron. It's pumping, it's going up. Green candles, one after another, price rising. We gotta talk about Tron. Also, we did two previous Tron about videos, so I won't talk about that and the predictions, how that worked out. So let's get into the charts and see actually what's happening. So you can see here the Tron is going up nicely, but there are some here resistances that we broke at 96, 85, 73, stuff like that. And I made two lately, 1 week ago. I made one video. This called Tron can be one of the few in green tomorrow because of this, and you can if you want to watch it, you can go watch it. It's a very nice video. Basically we put these resistances up here right at 66, what's that, this was 73, 76, 85, 96, but I don't think this 66, 76 was actually working. I think we removed it, but we said like on the way up to this 96 we're gonna hit resistances and work through them, right? So the target was actually 96. Next video 2 days ago, this is 1st of April, so it's actually 5 days ago, so that was more than a week ago, 5 days ago. You can see here that we, on the way up, we broke this 66, right? We had some kind of I don't know if you can see this, it's very small, maybe you need to zoom out on your mobile. Then we went to the first resistance at 73, got resistance there, broke it all the way up to 96, got back down to 85, got some retest over here, and we are, I said we are supposed to go up. Not only that, later in the video, around here, I said that we are probably gonna go and range sideways and wait for these moving averages to pick up with the price before we actually go up. And look what's happened. That was here. This is the 1st of April, right? We went sideways, and then waited for these moving averages, the 10 and the 20 moving average, to pick up the price, and then bounces up, right? And then it bounced up, and now we are a very strong uptrend. So we come to the part where we are gonna have to talk about what's our price target, what's happening now, is this the top, and stuff like that. So basically all of these targets are broken, so we can just clean up entire thing and start looking at it from a clean chart. We're also gonna change the chart to the Binance chart, 4 hourly. This 4 hourly chart, let's look at a daily, and you can see here it's going quite nicely, but it's starting at the extended from the 10 moving average right over here, right now. So as you can see already right now, we are not above all-time high. That means that we can add some very nice lines over here. So basically this one over here, previous all-time high, not the week, all-time high close on the monthly, that was over here. You can see here that 5 days ago we actually managed to break that. If you zoom really nicely, and you can see here that we actually broke it just above this line. So that means that we got a bullish close above the all-time high, right? And that's why the price is pumping today. It's because we made a new all-time high. So that said, this line actually doesn't help us. It might actually help us as support, but we are so far above support, you know what I'm saying? We're above the support. So we do not need support, we need resistances. What resistances are we gonna break? Okay, so enough of that. Let's see resistances. Wow, that was terrible. Okay, so basically this one over here, the up here, that's the all-time high close on the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart, all-time high close on the weekly, up 0.2, and that's actually the target we are actually aiming for right now. Right now we want to hit that. We want to hit that so hard. We want to hit that so hard. So that's the actually target we want to hit right now. Are we gonna hit that? Oh, you bet your ass we're gonna hit that. When? Maybe next year. I'm a joker today. Okay, let's zoom in and see actually what's happening. So now we need to look at the RSI and see if that's overbought or what's happening with RSI. RSI is at 86 on the daily and 88 on the weekly. So I think this has an entire week to go if it's gonna push hard, or maybe even 2 weeks. But I think right now we are getting some kind of very strong parabolic move. So this. This might aid prematurely, but I don't know. The problem with the weekly is that we are extended from the 10 moving average. So even if we go up here, like we can still go. Nah, we are not extended from the moving average. Let's look at it down here. Yeah, we are extended from the moving average, but that doesn't have to mean anything. Like let's look at a daily. See here, down here daily, it's hitting all these stops over here. I don't know if you can see this. Let's do it like this. We are right now up here, and if we zoom out, zoom in, yeah, daily needs definitely some kind of correction right now towards the 10 moving average. So let's get back in the chart and see right now where we are on the daily. We are extended, but this doesn't mean that we are that extended. It just means that we are a very strong bullish move upwards. So let's look at the 4 hourly. 4 hourly looks very nice. We are above all the moving averages. 1 hourly, I should bet we are above all the moving averages. Yeah, we hit the 20 again over here. I think we are getting. I think we are gonna go pretty quick up to the 2-point line. I don't think we are gonna stop before that. I want to see this crossover here. I want to see the price get above this line over here. Actually, above all the way. That's at 1385. I want to see the price go up, but you can see here right now it's fighting. I'm gonna bet if you go down to Binance right now, you're gonna see this price 1385, something like that. There is a big a sell wall right there, and that's why the price cannot move above this. But if the price manages to move above the wall, and walls usually move and they get eaten up or something like that, or they get just removed. One guy was actually asking me in our Telegram group that depth doesn't matter. I told him it doesn't really matter because number one, the cost of making a wall is 0, because you can put any kind of order, any kind of liquidity on the market, and you can say, okay, at 0.6 I'm gonna sell 6 billion share of whatever, right? And once the price starts moving up there, like you just move it. Okay, now at 0.12 I'm gonna sell these 6 million shares. So there's no cost to building the walls or stuff like that. So but when making the chart, when drawing the chart, you have to actually buy and sell things, and when you do that, there's a cost, and that's why that's a lot more accurate. So looking at the chart depth and stuff like that people usually do, not that experienced people, that's all very terrible thing. But right now there is some kind of a wall up here. People are selling up here at the target, but once that gets eaten up, this is gonna go very high up, I can tell you that. This on the 1 hourly chart. On the 4 hourly you can see here that the same target applies. If it doesn't, that we might actually revisit this 10 moving average up here, down here, before we actually get up there. So whether it's gonna happen in an hour or two or something like that, hard to tell. Let's clean a little bit up and see if we can find any kind of pattern over here, because I'm just thinking like this looks like some kind of pattern. Let's use the 5-minute chart for that. Remove the moving averages, expand the line, and see if we can get anything out of this. So basically it looks like something like this is happening. This is not, this is happening actually, but this isn't happening that good much. Maybe something like this is going through this. Actually I've probably done this before, but it looks like something like this, because it is this stop down here. It looks like this looks like the line. I like this line. I'm gonna leave this line over here. This stop doesn't look like it's actually that nice. So basically it's either ascending triangle. So how long can this take? Maybe until, yeah, couple hours, 5 hours. 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock now. So yeah, so maybe 3-4 more hours before they actually break out. It all depends. It's hard to tell, but basically we are in an uptrend. Tron is uptrend. It's not stopping at 13. I can tell you that. Not a financial advice, of course. You do your trades, I'll do my trades, and all that shebang. But it's looking nice. It's looking very nice. And I'm targeting right now 0.20. And once we break that, the target is gonna be higher. And I actually have a very nice line. How long is the video? 9 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna save that line for the next Tron video. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna subscribe to this channel, and then you're gonna wait for the next Tron video, and then I'm gonna show you the very beautiful line, the target above 0.2. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Check out the Patreon. We got things going on there. Telegram group, altcoins video. We do like 20 plus altcoins daily, like rank them up really nice and stuff like that. So check it out. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow, later today. Bye bye.